Is Microsoft Edge not working properly on your Windows PC or laptop? Worry not, as in this video, we're going to show you a way to fix it. Head to your Windows Settings app to repair the Microsoft Edge browser. Please note that repairing Microsoft Edge doesn't affect your data and browser settings. Now, with that out of the way, press the Windows and I keys to open Settings on your Windows device. Now click on Apps in the sidebar. Then click on Installed Apps on the right pane. Now search for Microsoft Edge in the search bar. Click on the three-dot menu next to Microsoft Edge and select Modify. Now approve the UAC prompt and click Repair to fix the Microsoft Edge browser. The process will require an active internet connection and will take some time to complete. Once done, relaunch Microsoft Edge to see if it launches successfully and without any errors. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.